Russia strikes Ukraine with Iranian drones. As winter approaches and the war in Ukraine marches on, the Pentagon reported earlier this week that an increase in military aid and training from Iran moves to support Russia. Russia continues to use Iranian uncrewed aerial vehicles, UAVs, also known as kamikaze drones, against targets throughout the Ukrainian territory. Ukraine shot down more than a dozen Iranian-produced Shahed 136 drones on Saturday night that Russia hoped would bolster its military, according to Ukrainian military leaders. Tehran officially denies deploying drones to Moscow in the Ukraine war. On Saturday, Iran strongly condemned calls from France, Germany, and Britain for the United Nations to probe accusations that Russia has used Iranian-origin drones to attack Ukraine. Despite denying supplying Russia with weapons, Iran openly announced Sunday a contract with Russia to supply it with 40 turbines to help its gas industry amid Western sanctions over Moscow's war in Ukraine. Russia and Iran have long had close ties militarily, most notably in their joint support for the Syrian dictator Bashar al-Assad. Back in July, Russia's President Vladimir Putin visited Tehran, where he met his Iranian counterpart Ibrahim Raisi and the Islamic Republic's supreme leader, the Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, who also called for stronger, long-term cooperation with Moscow. So as Ukraine's military receives equipment and weapons from its allies in the West, Russia seems to have turned to Iran for support. This all comes as the 6th week of protests and strikes in Iran threaten to paralyze the country. I'm Maddie Mills, and you're watching CHTV News.